Alright, today I'm gonna install catalytic protectors, or pretty much catalytic converter covers, under the 4Runner. These are the 1320. They're similar to Cali raised. They look like knockoffs, but it should serve the same purpose, and it's the exact same bolt pattern and outer design. It's just this little side that looks different. But if you guys want to watch along, it should be pretty quick. So to get started, to put the catalytic converter, I need to take these two off. It's a size 14. So now this one, I took out, we're gonna replace it with this one. And the spacer, because it's in a open cap beyond there. Well, pretty much if you had this, you would have to remove that before installing this. Hopefully this works, because I don't know if it will now. And when you install these, one of them does say driver D and the other one for passenger. Since this one doesn't have that cross part, I have to just make up some, I just got some washers and see if it could hold it up. Meanwhile, I'll figure out getting the crossbar later on, but just for those of you that have that issue. Okay, one down, one to go. Like I said, get some washers. You might want to get some bigger washers for here because they're barely hanging on. So there you go, 1420. And just repeat the steps over there. If you have the cross member or the little cross thing right here that goes diagonally, you don't need to worry about washers because it'll act as a washer. I need that anyways. It's a good second form of security because you're adding screws here and over here that goes right above, right under it. So I need that. If you guys like this video in any way, please hit the like button.